they need this time too to take care of their property. So it's nice to see that they get that wiggle room. And I know many are watching this morning for them to just figure out what they need to do with themselves and with their properties.
That's right, because they live here. They too experience the wrath of this hurricane just like we did. Okay.
So at first glance, this is the aftermath of Milton in this area. Like, it's mainly, like, at first glance, it's mainly leaves and debris from trees. These things were swinging all over the place, especially the ones by my bedroom. And they are still up. I'm so proud of them. They were not going to, well, I was going to say budge. They definitely did budge, but you know, they are still standing. Proud here. See if we can see anything else. Yes, it's all of this debris from the palms. Oh, the canopy of the marketplace has been pulled up. Doesn't look too bad though. Could be worse. It looks to be open as well. I mean, I guess there's no reason why not. Like, yes, it was a hurricane, but you know, it affects some areas worse, well, a lot worse than others. So when you break it down, it just seems to be really strong winds here anyway for us. Well, extremely strong winds and rain. You know, our power remained on as far as it went here. It's just a night with really bad winds. I think everything else seems to be in order. Yeah, it looks a lot worse from the ground actually. Better go and check our car. I don't think we took out that extra insurance. So, you don't think of things like this, do you? Oh, here we are. So it has things around it, wrapped around it. Right. Doesn't look to be anything major. I heard this thing moving around last night, slamming around. Let's take a look up here. Yeah, this looks a little bit tore up over here. Nothing too bad though. Obviously these hanging down, it's just ripped there, but yeah, nothing too crazy. Still open. Yep, seems to be open. and buzzing with activity. Smelled really nice in there as well. May have to go and get a coffee. Yeah, this is the tree outside of my room. That was swaying about all over the place. I got up at night, tried to record it through my window, but you couldn't really, well, the camera couldn't pick it up. But it was quite scary, to be honest. So you can see how the water has risen here. Well, you might not be able to tell. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Round about here is where the grass ended and then dipped down a little bit. So that's easily a few foot, like definitely a couple of foot risen. And also this is a sign, because I've come a couple of times, especially on the first time, to see the alligator that was there. You can see the path, how far the path goes. So yes, this has definitely risen. I can see a little friend there. Hi friend. That's one thing I do wonder about. What do the critters do? I mean, the ones in the water probably, you know, aren't being affected really. They're just still in the water. I think it's the things like the birds. I wonder what... Whoa, look at this. Oh, you can see. Yeah. Yeah, the birds. What do the birds do? Like, where are they taking shelter? Because if you saw the winds last night, winds were getting from like 70 mile an hour to 100 mile an hour. I'm not 100% sure what it was for us. But what are the birds doing? Yes. Wow. Oh, you can see here. This was just a normal path. That was flooded. There could be gators anywhere. Oh. I just feel sorry for those poor golfers that had to play in it. Oh, my nice little walk that I used to have in the morning to the gym or to the pool. This obviously around here shouldn't be a water trap. It is now. Yep, look at this. I mean, it's all, you know, this won't take a long time to clear up. The water won't stay around like that for very long. Today's not forecast like, you know, great or anything, but it's going to be nice beyond today. So yeah, it's a little bit of cleaning up around here anyway. I have to stress that. I don't know what it's like elsewhere in the area. Well, I hope everybody's all right. Let's see if we can see the gators. See if we can see what they're up to. Oh, I found him. One of them. I feel like I've not seen him for a minute. Well, good to see he's all okay. He knows what he's doing in weather like this. There's no need to worry. Oh, turning my way. See if I can find the other one. I feel like they sometimes hang around up in this corner. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen them down the other end. Oh, he's boring. No, I'm joking, you're not. These guys. These guys doing the morning thing, having the breakfast. I wonder what it is that they are eating in here. Oh my! There are signs that we pass every day saying duck crossing. These are genuinely the first ducks I've seen here. Finally got to see some. Yeah, some cleaning up on the greens as well, on the fairways. Yeah, we've got a sand trap that's now a sand and water trap. And then plenty of other water traps. Look at this. Just an extension of the... Oh, sorry guys. Don't mean to disturb you. But look at this, how high this is. And it's extended out onto this path. The gators are like, yeah, just knocking up an extension. Yeah, just expanding. It's not a conservatory, it's an orangery. Oh wow, it's a little bit swampy around here as well. the critters and the insects and everything like that will be thriving, I imagine. Obviously the birds loving it. It's expanded their feeding area. Again, more water all over the course. Look at this. He's come back down our way. Not seen you around here in a while. Ooh. You are beautiful. Oh, he's on his way now. Morning, guys. Morning. Oh, we've just found this little baby. It's a little bat. I thought he was dead, but he's breathing. Oh. Oh, baby. I'm not sure what we can do for him, but I'm going to try something. So, got it on a little box, tried wrapping it up to pick it up, obviously being careful, just didn't want it being just in the path, like just there. You don't know what's going to happen to it or what somebody might do to it. So I googled, I mean the internet's pretty bad here at times, so it wasn't working, you know, straight away as I needed it to, but what I could find or just different things, like that's the problem with the internet, it's too big, there's too much on there. But one of the things I saw was that if you find one on the ground in the daytime, it may be injured, sick or exhausted. This little baby is panting, well I say panting, it's breathing fast, so I'm just hoping that it is just exhausted. You know, there's only so much you can interfere with wildlife, but I just didn't want it being there, so I'm going to try and put it somewhere sheltered, out of the way of anyone. Just hope that it's exhausted and it will come around at some point. I just don't know where to put it. I don't really want other predators to get to it either. I don't know what predators a bat has, but yeah. I don't know. Do you put it down the side of a building, or there's people walking around as well? That's a little too boggy. Maybe near this tree? Oh, little baby. But yes, it did try biting this flannel and the box. So it, you know, it's alive, it's moving, and I am being careful. You know, I don't want to. In fact, actually, would I turn into a vampire? If so, bite me up. Right. I'm not sure. Do I put it here? Is it sheltered enough? Or like over here at the edge? I think less people are going. I mean, I don't know. I think perhaps behind one of these plants here. Like probably around here. Maybe? Yeah. Alright, there you go. It's probably not gonna want to let go of this. His face looks a little bit scary, I'll be honest. Oh. Oh, it's flying! Yes! 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 Did a little poop or something. Ah, nice. Nice. Whew. Not gonna lie, terrified me for a moment. He looked completely out of it. He almost looked like, you know, on his last legs. I'm just aware, because another thing I saw as well, I didn't mention, is a bat laying on the ground in the day is a sign it probably has rabies. I was like, oh right, okay. I'm not saying that's something I'm not aware of anyway, but yeah. Well, there you go. A little excitement. Wasn't sure if Walmart was going to be open today. Thought everything was going to be closed, but obviously it is open because it's just not as, you know, it hasn't turned out quite as bad as it could have around here. Jamming. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, there's a lot of things in the store. It doesn't all look like this, but obviously the bakery department is closed. I don't understand. Ooh, that sounds nice. Spiced apple cider. 80 calories. Mulled spice cider. 248. Oh, cinnamon vanilla coffee. Hazelnut, creme brulee, really getting into the, these are like end of the year kind of coffees, I would say. Nice autumn Christmassy vibes, getting cozy. Oh, so these are good, creamers. Hazelnut creamer, cinnamon French toast creamer, oh god. Caramel macchiato, French vanilla. I mean, I don't use creamers, I have my coffee black, but these sound very good. So I bought some of these sauces, as you will have seen, if I remember rightly. It was about 2 weeks ago now. I got the peach bourbon, and where is it? This one. The black cherry. I've tried them both on pizza. They are nice. I guess the problem with them is they do taste like what they're supposed to. So that does taste like peach. The black cherry tastes like black cherry. So, and I love hot sauces. On pizza though, I don't really know what you're going to put them on. I think the best for pizzas, but I don't know. I don't really want my pizza tasting like peach or black cherry. I'm all for sort of like mixing up flavours, but they taste a little bit too peachy and cherry-y. So they're nice. I'm just not sure what else you could put them on where you would really benefit. I do love my hot sauces though. Oh, red hot squeezy. $1. Butter powder. Anyone? Ever heard of it? Just add water and enjoy. Just the things I've never seen. Never heard of it. Freeze-dried sweet corn, dehydrated chopped onions, dehydrated apple slices, dried whole egg powder. Right, okay. Thought that was going to say dried whole eggs. That would have been weird. Breakfast. Birthday cake. Icy cereals. Oh man. Cookie butter. What else have we got that's nice and nutritious? S'mores. I mentioned this about the Lucky Charms. Where are they? Somewhere over there. I mentioned this about the Lucky Charms where I used to really love. That's one thing I used to love coming to Florida for, mainly because of the nice marshmallows in it, until I discovered couldn't have marshmallows whilst being vegetarian. But I bet these are delicious. Fruit Loops are, they're another one that I used to enjoy to get, just because we don't do them, and they have all those artificially delicious flavours. So yeah, I bet those are very nice. Silly rabbit. Trix minis. Quite liked these as well, because I like anything cinnamon. So yeah, those are quite nice. I'm just not a cereal fan. I don't do cereal. I don't really do milk, to be honest. I'm not much of a breakfast person anyway. Yeah, even if I was a breakfast person, it wouldn't be cereal that I would be having. More of a avocado toast kind of person. Something, you know, like that. Eggs. What? What? Ghost protein cereal with marshmallows. Concert gelatin, yeah. So the marshmallows sound alright though. Oh, peanut butter protein cereal. Ghost 18 gram of protein. I'll be able to have those, but just not having cereal. How many people are having cereal? How many kids you got? Jeez. Oh, these like $6.77. That's a decent deal, to be honest. Cereal's not cheap. I like to make my own popcorn. These are really good. We don't do things like this at home. So $3.38. I've got some of that. Not tried it yet though. Dill pickle. Ooh. Obviously, popcorn seasoning, white cheddar. We don't do white cheddar popcorn, but white cheddar popcorn is delicious. So that's a good one to take home. Ooh, big one for $4.64. Salt and vinegar. Also these movie theatre butter flavoured spritzer. You just spray it on top. Popcorn seasoning spray, $4.12. Garlic butter. Oh. Sounds good. Really good. Really good. Really good. That absolutely delicious. Also really good. I'd probably go for that one though. Yeah, they are really good if you like your hot things. Very, very flavourful. These also really good. Those. Actually, I'm not sure about that. I got the Snyder's peanut butter filled little sandwiches, as well as the little pretzel pieces filled. Both really good. So I imagine they're delicious. But yeah, these are really good. Really weighty bags as well. Oh, my God. See, everybody got their priorities straight for the hurricane. This is the chips aisle. You know, crisps. Oh, these are really crazy. Long Island iced tea, margarita, Mexican mudslide, and that's a pina colada. 98 cents. And you would think for that there's no alcohol, or it's just a flavour. It's got 12.5% alcohol at 98 cents. Crazy. The pumpkin autumny fall kind of flavour. Little Debbie's. I've had these before, had them last time I came. Those are really nice. I did mention that I tried these. They're, you know, they're a good flavour. They're nice. I'm not too into the like mini roll kind of things though. Haven't had these, but I bet they are nice because I like the Little Debbie's cosmic brownies. So I'm guessing these are. I don't know. I was just gonna say I'm guessing they're similar, but they don't look it on the picture. You know, like the brownie on this looks a little more cakey. I don't know if that's just a picture or not. Probably still nice, but at the minute we've got way too much sweet stuff. So. Not going to try them. I mean, that's just a brownie really, isn't it? I don't know if it's flavoured. I think it's just a brownie with pumpkin looking face on top. Tell you what, this is hell of a good dip. $1.97. Oh yes. And I am going to get some guac. 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 Guacamole. Idiot. Look at this. Toilet roll aisle. Remind you of anything? Oh God. Everything's back to normal today. Pretty much. It will be tomorrow anyway. I'm schooling 9 to 5. Oh, when you always wanted to run away and just leave it all behind. Oh, if only you had one of these bad boys. Who knows where you could have been today? Maybe the president, you know, CEO, like manager of some decent firm. Whatever, you could have been anyone. If only. Yours today for $3.98 plus tax. I used to love getting one of these as well coming over. Oh yes, they've got the Christmas shop ready to go. No way, no way. $59. I don't even know how much inflatables go for, but $59. It's a 10-foot Santa. $59, I'd get that just for a laugh. What? I mean, I'm not into like this kind of like decoration, I like the more like white lights, you know, white fairy lights, white fairy light reindeers. But $59, come on. $59, just set it up in somebody else's garden. Outside the front door. $45. Oh! 99 for the gingerbread house. 8.5 foot gingerbread house. That's amazing. Got this inflatable archway. Not sure how much that is. Oh, that is a really nice Christmas tree. 7.5 foot. That is really nice. That's my kind of Christmas tree. That's really nice. Like, this is a nice one as well. I like the like standard looking ones, but that is really nice. I think you would just have that like out in a different room. You don't have to put your decorations on it. Just have a couple set up around the house. Very nice. Peppermint spa. 300 foot pre-lit Christmas tree. Looks like Father Christmas wants to play a game. Have you been naughty or nice? These are nice. Gingerbread Baking Company, $1.98. Got a little tart tin, gingerbread man, $1.98. Ah, for $1.98, I think I need to get that one. Definitely. $4, look at that. Oh man. $4.98 for $2.48, some mini ones. Ah, look at these ones as well. $2.48. $99, look at that. Oh. Axe pizza cutter. I've actually just got one of these. Got it on Shein for like £1 or something. I'm not even sure how much it is here. I think it's in there. Sure, that's not it. But pretty cool. On the Halloween section now, we've got the mugs, like 4 mugs, $10. Really good deal. Really nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is as well. Oh, the plastic. Even better, to be honest. Just because it's light. These are really cool. Bourbon baked pear. Just looks good though. Cranberry mandarin. That can't be the price. Can it? That's actually all a candle. $9.78. You wouldn't light it though, would you? So what's the point in it being a candle? Yeah, these are very cool. I wouldn't mind finding out. Actually, it's a bit too heavy to be taken back, but they are. I like those. Yeah, apparently ghosts smell like cranberry mandarins. Who knew? $5.98. You cannot put a price on scaring people. I've said it before. I'll say it again. Can cooler, $1. Getting it. They're cool. Pumpkin poppers. Nice like table decorations and then pop them at the end of the night. Oh, I love that they do this as well. Halloween cards. Oh, Oh, these are cool. That and this one. Boo! Candy corn tissue paper. $1.48, that's good. Oh. Yeah, people did have the right idea for the hurricane. All the crisps gone. A lot of the beer's gone. And toilet roll. No, they didn't have the right idea with that. Oh, pumpkin spice frosted flakes. Right, so that is that for today's vlog. Thank you so much again for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop me a like if you like. Why not give me a cheeky subscribe? Take a chance. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you and I shall get back to you. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed it. So I shall see you in the next one. Bye. See ya. Toodles.